why people shouldn't wait around getting, any dental procedures done or just checking out any overall health with their mouth. And so, Dr. McCawley, I'll start with you. Why do you think it's so important that people make that appointment regardless of what's happening in the world right now?
I know. Yeah. I mean, at this point, we're all hoping to be done and over and through with COVID. But we're still in the thick of it, unfortunately. But in all honesty, it's coming to a dental office is not something you have to be afraid of. I'm not aware of any, dentist to patients transmission of COVID. I'm not aware of really any studies that have shown that, because we've been at the forefront here for 2 years now with COVID floating around. And, they've shown that dentists actually have a lower rate of contracting COVID than the general population. So, we've taken all the precautions, we've got filters in all the room. We use UV lights to disinfect everything. I mean, we've all got our N95s on. It's, we take all the precautions necessary to make sure that, our patients are safe. It's because that's our primary concern, is that our patients are going to be safe. And, as long as we take those precautions, they're going to be great. They can have treatment in a safe, effective environment, and it's going to be good for them, because you don't want to put this sort of thing off. You definitely don't want to put it off, because having gum disease, believe it or not, is actually it's a contributor to the severity of COVID. If you have active gum disease, there's a study that came out a few months ago, you've got a 9 times higher likelihood of ending up in the ICU with COVID. Because believe it or not, I mean, gum disease, periodontal disease, is a bacterial infection. That bacteria gets into your lungs. If you have COVID and you've got bacteria in your lungs, pathogenic bacteria in your lungs, it's a very bad combination, and it just it can get out of hand. So, come in, don't worry about it. You're at a less risk here than going to the supermarket as far as contracting COVID. So, it's not something you really have to worry that much about. It's, we take all the precautions necessary.